hapon. Alas 2 na ng hapon. Hindi talaga ako nakapag-chika sa inyo. So, sobrang busy ng aking araw. So, bakit nga ba? Basically, ang dami kong ginawa ngayong araw kasi today is the day ng aking follow-up check-up for my hyperthyroidism. I spent half of my day preparing all the documents. Kasi guys, meron kaming, hindi ko alam anong tawag sa inyo dyan, pero dito sa amin, meron kaming mga government assistance. And sayang kapag hindi natin siya in-avail. Kasi ang only requirements doon is you are a current voter. So meron kang voter's certificate and valid voter ka. So I am one of them, and I was missing the opportunity for quite some time since na-diagnose ako ng hyperthyroidism, and this time I decided to use them. So umagang-umaga pa lang guys, ako'y kumuha na ako ulit ng lab test ko, lab test request from my doctor. Meron akong T3, T4 lab kung saan magpapakuha ulit ng dugo, then susukatin ulit para ma-update kung normal ba or hindi. Then I went to get my current voter certificate, and I managed to get that parang isang oras kalahati yung inantay ko. I then proceeded to the government office for the assistance, at mababait naman yung staff, very maasikaso. Actually naabutan na ako ng cut-off guys, pero I just begged them to allow me kasi nga isa na lang naman akong nag-aantay, pero pinayagan din nila ako. And then I waited for another, I believe 45 minutes para sa certificate na galing sa government office. And then after that, pumunta na ako ng hospital to have my blood checked. So they ran the lab test 2 oras, and finally I got my results. So ngayon, eto yung kailangan ko to see my doctor. So papakita ko tong resulta na to sa doctor ko, and then she's gonna tell me what's happening in my body, anong update sa aking hyperthyroidism, what kind of medicines I'm going to take, and what are the dosage, and for how long I'm going to take them. Ang daming nangyari this morning. I wanted to also mention na ang dami kong na-receive na regalo, na hindi naman regalo at saka sponsorship para sa pagbubukas ng Labalabi. So mayroong nag-message sa akin nga pala, ito guys, ang Facebook page. It's called Kawai Creation. Sila ay gumagawa ng mga souvenir, katulad ng magnet, katulad ng mga ano pa ba, iba't ibang klaseng souvenir, yung mga photos na mga souvenir. They reached out, ilang beses na silang nag-reach out sa akin kasi gusto nilang magbigay ng souvenir. So when they heard that I'm opening the laundry shop guys na maliit, nag-volunteer sila na sila daw magbibigay ng magnet na merong logo at phone number. And dumating siya guys, plus merong special something na nakabalot. I'm very touched. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung maramdaman ko, pero nabigla ako sa pinadala ng Kawai Creations para sa akin at para sa mga anak ko. Mamaya I'm going to show it to you guys para makita ninyo kung bakit ako nabigla at bakit ako na-touch ng bongga talaga. But now let me go see my doctor muna, and then today is the soft opening of Labalabi. So after ng aking check-up, I'm going to see the shop and be there for my sisters and family, kasi the soft opening is open for my family and friends. So let's go. I'll give you guys more update if you want to see what's gonna happen sa episode na to. Keep on watching. Hi guys, nakatapos ko lang ng check-up ko. Mamaya na lang tayo mag-chikahan ng check-up ko, pero magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ganyan na po ang itsura. Walang nagpalaba today.
May drying.
Ay, okay. May drying. Ito, open. Sa table na lang. Then, drinks. Supportive masyado si Madam Ten Gives, guys. Dala niya buong bahay magpalaba. Ang papel, te. Namigay ka, te. Ay, pagay kong papel dito lang gabi kay maghatag ko. Diri, wala lagi naghahatag og papel diri, te. Te, ako hatag, de. Mamigay tayo ng paper leaflets guys para bukas. So, nasa akong bag ang kwarta. Kuhaan na lang ito daan. Pagdating ito akong bag palihog. Adala akong cellphone. Okay. Wait lang. Wait lang. Okay. Yung kapatid ko yung unang supportive. Wait lang.
Guys, mga 100 kilos ang dala ko. Magkano yung 100 kilos?
100 kilos times 65. 6,500.
Yaman mo, sis.
Thank you,
Isang
sis.
labahan, 6'5 agad. Mag-laundry na ako bukas.
O, ikaw na maglaba. Thank you. O, diba? Supportive.
Iwan ko lang, magkano ba kung kayo maglaba lang?
Oh, mamaya, i-total namin sa'yo.
Busy ako.
Daming labahan ni Madam.
Yes. Asan ba? Labas ko lahat dito.
Asa naman to, te? Oh, mayong gabi eh. Open na may ugma, ha? Kung magpalaba mo na ay self-service, na ay full service. You're welcome po. Ay, magpa-shoutout ka gang kay... Ay, may bisita tayo. Anak mo? Ay, hello. So, sige, sino isa-shoutout natin?
Kay Vilma et Chavez.
Ay.
Hi, Day.
Hoy!
Ma'am Vilma et Chavez. Taga saan kayo?
Wala.
Bula? Abot kayo dito.
Nagpahilot sila sa
Ay,
labahan.
okay. Okay, okay.
Nagulat
Hello
ni
po.
Diri na
Ay, Bibi.
Lagunan mo.
Wala ko nadala. Oy, kiging ko ng school.
So, okay na guys. Open na tayo bukas. Ngayon, soft opening muna. So, we shall see. Ayan, nagpadala ng labanan si Madam Ten Gives. Guys, so, since busy naman yung mga machine natin dito, marami tayong nilabhan. We are going to have dinner na muna. So, nag-order ako ng food for us. Soft opening lang to guys eh, kaya sila lang talaga yung bisita. Close friends and family. Okay.
Let us pray, loving Father in heaven, thank you for your goodness and this evening that you have given to us as a little soft opening of love from the God who bless this business, bless Princess as she managed to her own another business. Bless also the people around her who help her pursue this business. Father God, we also pray.
Okay.
Nasukat ka na, madam.
Okay. Dinner time guys. So yung handa na binili ko, hindi masyadong magastos. Simple lang pero masarap. Creamy carbonara and chicken fingers.
Arin ako sa bula. Ay, sa bula. Arin ako sa...
Yung sarap ng carbonara.
Pag-duty daw ko si Patuma, si Maylin. Okay, hindi na nag-double ko kasi sa muni ay. Hindi ako nag-double. Pwede pa niya gawin sa bracket. Duty daw to siya, nasa bula lang daw siya.
Guys, buwan naman ang aming first day opening sa Laba-Labi. Soft opening namin. Nagpalaba agad si Madam Ten Gives worth
1,200 pesos! Pero okay lang, support kami sa first day.
Yes, you see. First day.
for lifetime.
Once in a lifetime.
In a lifetime.
Hindi nagpalaba siya ng Next time, mga damit ang ipalaba mo.
Ilang kilo yung damit?
8 kilograms. Puno yung basket. Tapos i-full service mo na kasi 201 pesos. Pagkakuha mo, nakatupi na siya. Okay? Ikaw, palaba ka na dito. Huwag kang tawa-tawa dyan. So, si Ate Hana, busy na siya guys kasi meron kaming customer. Towel, pwede ka maglagay dyan ng 4 hanggang 5 kilos. Pag towel, hanggang 5 kilos. Kasi kailangan namin...
Pero ang stain,
Ang stain, kailangan maglagay ka ng Zonrox.
kung hindi matanggal ang stain,
Machine wash yan. It's not our fault. Yes, totoo. In our training, machine wash, if you want it to be special wash, you have to go to hand wash.
Palabada ka na lang.
Yes, or ipa-hand wash mo muna sa helper mo and then dalhin mo dito. Kasi ang ano naman, maganda naman sa machine, tuyo na siya agad. Plus, we are using warm water and heater. So, your clothes are antibacterial. Oh, diba? So, nagumagawa kami ng lobo, guys. Ito si Ma'am Sheena at ang kanyang team. So, pagdating sa decoration, ate ko po ang naka-assign. Pagdating sa pagkain, ako kanina, si Boss Jean sa music. Nalagay na pala yung orasan namin. So far, so good. Nagkaroon kami ng konting problema, guys. Pero, nakuha na namin yung solution. So, mamaya, i-share ko sa inyo yung problem namin on the first soft opening day namin. Kasi soft opening, mga damit lang ng mga kapatid ko yung inuna ko. Tomorrow, we are open for public na. Oh, so sweet. Ang mga first customer ko ngayon, guys.
Oh, resibo, please.
Okay na to. Huwag mo muna i-resibo. Bukas lang.
Okay.
Thank you po.
66. Okay.
Thank you.
Nakita na namin. 960 po. Okay.
Nakaless siya ng 130 pesos.
960. Tip pang 40.
Wow! Sa'yo yung tip. Oo. Sige, maglagay tayo ng box. Galing. Okay. May 40 pesos na tip.
Para sa after niya ng work, may mga tip siya.
Oh, yes. Okay. Kita nyo, guys? Kita nyo kapatid ko? Hindi talaga yan majamo. Thank you. Oh.
Patong-patong.
Patong-patong ang...
Ay, di man as in patong, pero dapat wala siya diri sa counter. Dapat may siya ng balay, no?
Oo. Soon.
Later.
Guys, kanina, papunta ako ng work, I decided na dalhin dito yung labahin ko muna habang nag-organize kami. So, yung inabil ko is full service. Eto na siya ngayon, guys. Wash, dry, at saka folded na with soap and downy. So, yung total ko, babayaran ko din. Hindi pwedeng hindi ako magbayad kasi nasa accounting yan. May accountability tayo, nasa inventory siya. Baka singilin ko si ate pag hindi ako nagbayad. So, I have to pay. So, ngayon, ang bill ko ay 201 pesos. 201 pesos. So, ano na lang. Dapat may tip box tayo, no? Para yung mga change diretso sa tip box. Tama, tama. 200. Wala pala tayong change, guys.
First tip na. Kasi mama. First tip.
May mga customers talaga na, ano. Akin naman, ang ibibigay ko, instead na 201, 210 pesos. Oh.
Nasa
May 9 pesos na tip. Ah, diba?
Salamat, guys.
Yes, kasi yung tip, all tips count. Imagine sa isang araw may 9 pesos, may 40 pesos, may 30 pesos. So lalagay tayo dito din ng box.
Tip box.
Pag nag-change ka sa kanila, pwede nila open. So, you're welcome. So ilagay mo na sa account mo, te. So after nito, pagkatapos ng last batch ng washing, mag-i-inventory kami ng machine. So titingnan namin kung ilan yung na-wash today, ilan yung na-load, at dapat ilang sabon at ilang Fabcon yung nagamit. Dapat magtugma yung pera. Okay guys, so I'll see you later. Pala ba? Suko. Ayun, balabog mo. natapos na rin tayo. Ang sarap ng feeling. After a long day, at least meron pang konting energy na natitira para mag-shower. But it's almost 11 o'clock and baka makalimutan ko yung kwento sa inyo anong nangyari ngayon. So, ikukwento ko na guys para naman medyo ma-offload ko yung aking excitement ngayong araw. So, alam nyo kanina sinabi ko sa inyo na ako'y magpapa-check up. I was there at 3 p.m. and hindi tinawag yung pangalan ko hanggang 6 p.m. guys. Yes, 3 oras po ako nag-antay doon tawagin ang pangalan ko. Pero anyway, 3 hours of waiting, 2 minutes na pakikipag-usap sa doktor. What's new? And the doctor gave me an update. Basically, my lab results are not looking so bad. Medyo nag-normal yung aking TS4, tawag dun. But my TSH hormones are still low, on the low side. Pero sabi ng doktor sa akin, ng aking endocrinologist, sabi ng ng specialist sa akin na doktor is it's quite normal na mas delayed mag-react sa gamot yung TSH. And she's not very surprised kasi last check-up ko, it was also like that. Low pa din yung TSH level ko. But, okay lang, sabi ni Doc. And sabi ni Doc sa akin, hindi siya masaya kasi I did not lose the weight that she asked me to lose. Kasi nga, sabi ni Doc, with my height na 4'11", I have to be somewhere with 48 kilograms. And I'm already 58 or 57. And she asked me to lose some of it, at least 48 kilograms. I don't want to do that. I tried. So, hindi natuwa si Doc. But sabi niya, natuwa siya dahil hindi ako nag-gain ng weight. That means I was able to control myself during Christmas and New Year na hindi ako nagpadala sa temptasyon na kumain ng bongga. Kasi kinabahan si Doc, sabi niya, I'm quite worried when we see each other after the holidays daw kasi baka masobra kami ng kain. And when I say kami, dalawa kami ng ate ko. My second sister she also has hyperthyroidism like me, but she's taking care of it and managing it with medicine and check-up for I think 8 years now. And for me, I was just diagnosed, I don't know for how long, but I'm glad na nakita namin yung symptoms early. And we were able to manage it by doing my lab test every 2 months and then my medicine every day. But sabi ng doktor sa akin, other than that, I'm still going to maintain the same medicine, the same dosage. Tinanong ako ng doktor if I have palpitation in my heart palpitation. Sabi ko, hindi na po titibok yung puso ko, Dok. Wala na po magpapatibok nila. Sorry, hindi pala ganun ang question ni Dok. Sabi niya is, nagpalpitate ba daw ako? Sabi ko, I had a palpitation when I took coffee at pinagalitan ako ni Doc. That was only one time guys, nung umakyat kami ng Mount Apo dahil nag-hiking kami ng 2 a.m. Sino ang hindi maglagok ng kape ng 2 o'clock ng umaga, magbaktas na kayo papuntang Mount Apo pagkataas-taas? So sabi ni Doc, matigas ang ulo mo, na sermonan tuloy ako. Sabi niya, I told you, you have to stay away from coffee, soft drinks, alcohol, smoking, everything that is unhealthy, you have to stay away from them. Kasi iniiwasan ni Doc na yung aking heart ay maapektuhan. And I have to take my medicine religiously. Ayun. And other than that, chinek ni Doc yung heartbeat ko. It was okay. Chinek niya yung aking kamay, yung balance, okay naman. And she's going to see me after 3 months, which is March, April, May, katapusan naman, para ma-check niya ulit. Sabi niya, ang importante talaga is hindi tumaas masyado yung aking hormone result. And sabi ni Doc sa akin, normally daw kapag hindi na ma-manage ng gamot, pag nakita niya na hindi nakakatulong yung gamot na tinitake ko, she has to do a radioactive iodine method, which is I have to stay sa hospital ng 1 night and have that medicine in my body. But then, there's a con. Since radioactive iodine is not safe, kasi pwede kong ma-expose yung mga anak ko, I have to isolate myself for 5 days. So, hindi ko sila pwedeng makatabi, hindi ko sila pwedeng makasama. I have to really make sure they're not going to be exposed. And, ayun. Then, sabi ni Doc, it's okay, I can still see na namamanage pa naman with the medicine, kaya go lang tayo. So, that's a good news. At least I'm not very worried, guys. Sobra lang naman akong kinabahan sa hyperthyroidism nung napanood ko yung Jessica Soho na kwento ko sa inyo ba last time. But, at 7 o'clock, at 6:30, we were able to get out of the clinic. And instead of being at the laundry shop, soft opening, 4 o'clock ng hapon, I arrived there, guys, alas 7 na po ng gabi at ako'y gutom na. So, nakita ko na yung mga kapatid ko na nagpre-prepare na for our opening tomorrow. Ayun. So, when I arrived there, my eldest sister, Madam Sheena, was already taking care of the balloons. Madam Glory she picked me up and she brought some of her dirty laundry. Mga kumot yung dala niya kasi yun yung mahirap matuyo. The only bad thing there is hindi pwedeng damihan yung ilagay basta kumot or comforter kasi pwede siyang hindi malabhan ng maayos at hindi matuyo ng maayos. Okay? We had our food, amazing, so good. The food was so good, guys. At kung sa pagkain, lagi naming sinusuportahan yung kaibigan namin na nagluluto sa kanyang bahay, no? Ayan, shout out kay Miss Gina Lynn. Ang sarap talaga ng lahat ng pagkain. And I really fell in love with the creamy carbonara, mushroom and chicken or beef. It was amazing. Napadami yung kain ko doon and I don't feel so hungry right now. But to make sure na makatulog ako ng maayos, kakain ako ng carbonara konti. Para naman masarap yung tulog natin. And, ano pa ba? Wait. Ayan, meron pa naman akong microphone. At, sobrang na-busy ako, guys. I wanted to vlog more tonight, but it was just so hectic. Syempre, dahil first day ng opening namin, medyo messy pa siya. May mga kulang pa kami na hindi namin na-anticipate. I was not able to prepare the job order sheet of paper. I was not able to purchase the temporary receipt. I have to buy the CCTV camera for the inside of the laundry shop. Marami pa kasi natambakan kami ng labahan around afternoon nung nagpalaba na yung mga kapatid ko. It was really hectic. So, meron kaming hiccups here and there. So, sa machine, unang hiccup namin sa machine is yung inventory ng machine, tumalon siya by 2 counts. I believe someone, or maybe our staff, na close niya at na-start niya siguro yung, maybe may napindot siya at na-start niya kaya nag-count yung inventory. It's not supposed to go like that. Kasi yung inventory, once na nag-count siya, automatic, ibig sabihin nun, naglaba ka sa machine na yan. So, it's going to be counted. And another hiccup is, nagtaka kami, bakit hindi namin ma-wash yung washing machine. So, nag-message ako sa group. Meron kasi kaming support group. Pag may problema, anytime pwedeng magtanong. So, I said, sir, pinakita ko yung video. Ayaw po mapindot sa tama. Hindi siya nagwa-wash. Then, sabi ni sir, ma'am, hindi po na-close. Look who's here. Mimmy's here. Sige. Kahapon sinabi ko sa inyo na may nagpadala sa atin na sponsor ng souvenir giveaway ng para sa Laba Lobby. And talagang napaiyak ako, guys. I'm so touched nang ma-receive ko to. She also added yes, for fridge. Oh, Chico. Ang saya ni Chico. Where's Chico, eh? Ha? Digi. Is that you? Wala daw ang katawan, guys. Tawa siya ng tawa. Oh. Nagustuhan ni Chico. Tawa siya ng tawa kasi walang katawan. But anyway, ang nagpadala nito is ang Kawai Creation. Ito yung kanilang Facebook page. Gumagawa sila ng souvenir. At sabi niya, i-sponsor na daw yung giveaway ko para sa Laba Lobby na magnet. So, pinadalhan niya ako nun. And then, sinama niya nga ito sa kanyang ginawa. Na talagang, guys, ay, sobra po talaga akong na-touch. Look at this, you guys. Look at that. Ito ang pinadala niya, guys. Ang laki yung mukha ni Mayumi. Ilalagay. Tsaka ito ay fridge magnet. So if you want to order this one, alam niyo na kung saan mag-inbox at magtanong magkano. If you want to make this as a giveaway or whatever, you guys know what to do. Sobrang cute. Hindi ko nga alam eh. Nakuha niya siguro to sa family picture namin. Pero perfect shot. Kahil, Kuya Kahil. And of course, Calbee. Tingin. So, ilalagay.
Mommy, that's not true. Mayumi have two.
Mayumi have one. Then Kahil is one. Then Calbee is this one.
She doesn't have a body.
She doesn't have a booty?
Yes, nobody. Look.
Nobody.
Nobody.
Sana sila? Ah! I don't know why Auntie and I were not there. We have to be there. Open for your sister. Ay, coughing Chico.
Together.
Oh, my best friend. Yeah. Okay, should be together daw.
We're brothers.
Oh. So sweet, Calbee. Sige lang, put lang together. Ears to ears.
Big, medium, small.
Big, medium, small. And
Medium.
Mayumi is what?
Small.
And tiny.
Hey, that's what? No, Mayumi, medium, small.
Yung pipot. Lagay mo sa ref. Yeah. Everything in the house, Auntie, complete. We have eggs. We have rice. Vegetable. Fish. You have fish? Okay. Wow. Look. Wow, Mayumi yan. Wow, Auntie, look. Mayumi is there. Oh. Look. Wow. Oh, labalabi. Oh, very nice. Oh, Mayumi, oh. Hmm? Calbee, oh. Calbee. Ay, Kahil. And Calbee. Wow. Again. Chup. Chup.